Hello, Kizel.
Hi!
Ano yung pinaka-naalala mo, top of mind na na-experience mo sa PBB? Kasi alam naman natin, sobrang trending ngayon ng bagong season.
Yes, I think when I remember PBB, naaalala ko na lagi kaming talo sa mga challenges. So, we had no meat for 4 weeks kasi lagi wala kaming budget for the groceries. So, yun yung actually madaming memories. Aside from, madami kami dun, I think 36 kami sa batch na yun. I think that's the most out of all the PBB batches. So, yun.
Ipaalala lang natin sa mga viewers, anong batch nga yung na PBB mo?
So, yung batch ko, PBB Teen Clash. I was with Sila James Reid, Ryan Bang. Ayun, that was more than a decade ago.
Yes, Teen Clash of 2010.
Yes! So, oh my gosh, 15 years.
And nanood ka ba ng recent season ng PBB? Or nadadaan-daan lang?
Mga nadadaan-daanan ko lang. But I know sila Shubi, yung mga junior artists natin. And sila, si Dustin, of course. Yeah, madami sila. But I know them by face.
If ever na magkaroon ng all-star ang PBB, papasok ka ba ulit? Lalo na ngayon na nasa GMA ng PBB.
Why not? Just always say yes to everything. To experience.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.